Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi A1 Plus and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. And now here we'll see just the Google Assistant settings, so we can click to start using Google Assistant by pressing hold to the power key. But if you want to use the power key button only to turn on or turn off your device, you should open the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Then click here to the gesture shortcuts, tap to launch Google Assistant and tap on the switcher to turn off this option. And now by pressing hold to the power key, we'll see the power off menu, and just to turn off our device we should click twice to the power off icon. And after that we can see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.